Okay, today's topic is job search communication.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum salam. Okay, for most business
मैम
students,
कुछ टाइम हो गया.
let me finish my lecture and then I will answer your questions. For most business students, one of the most important communication tasks is preparing your resume. This document will represent you in offices you have never seen. The resume is just one aspect of a complete communication package that everyone must put together before he or she enters the business world. This package should also include a healthy amount of career planning and a self assessment before you even start thinking about a resume. In addition, after you have written a resume, you need to think about writing cover letters, preparing yourself for interviews, and planning strategies for follow up interview with letters and telephone calls. So basically, finding a job is not all about writing a resume. Resume is just one aspect जो हमने पहले discuss भी किया है, how to format a resume. So basically, it's a full sort of communication, the job search communication when you are finding for a job. So it includes resume, but resume is not the only thing which is to be considered in it. More than that, you have to be consider how you're going to plan for your job search, how you're going for an interview, how you're going to write cover letters, how you're going to manage after interview process. So this is a short actually summary of job or employment when you're in search. For example, you start your job search communication from planning your career. You plan your career, then you prepare your resume, you write cover letter, you understand interview process, you prepare for interview, you participate in interview, and finally you write follow up or accept letter from your company or organization if you get any. So we learned before and we discussed how to prepare a resume. A cover letter is a short application letter, just like you write an application to your chairperson, that sort of short letter which you attach with your resume. रेज्यूमे में हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस नहीं होता कि हम डिटेल में अपने मतलब अगर कोई एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ बताना चाह रहे हो तो हम सेंटेंसेस की फॉर्म में बता सकें। तो कवर लेटर उसका एक जो है वो हमें सब्स्टिट्यूट मिल जाता है कि हम रेज्यूमे में तो वो चीज़ नहीं डालते, लेकिन हम एक साथ छोटी सी एप्लीकेशन जो है वो लिखते हैं और उसमें हम जो है अपनी जो भी कोई एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ जो हम वहाँ पे डिटेल में मेंशन ना कर सकते हो वो हम वो कर लेते हैं। आफ्टर दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस एंड देन प्लानिंग योर कैरियर, ये तमाम चीज़ें जो हैं दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ जॉब सर्च कम्युनिकेशन. Usually people think that when you have get a degree and then you have written a resume and then definitely you are off the way for it, but actually it's not that much simple. So the first thing is plan your career. Before you can sell a product, you need to know what product is all about. Similarly, before selling your expertise, you need to know the following. Obviously, when you are searching for jobs, so basically you are selling your expertise. So when you are selling your expertise, you know the following things. Plan, for example, assess yourself, research career paths, make decisions, take action, and manage your career. The really very important thing is understanding today's changing world. Workplace is today influenced by numerous forces such as globalization, advancing technology, information overload, grown diversity, and team-based organization. So definitely, आजकल की organization किसी में भी जहाँ आप काम करेंगे, they will be looking for a person who is multicultural or who is culture society or organization, plus who is well aware about the globalization, what is happening around the globe, plus he is familiar with using the advanced technologies. इंफॉर्मेशन उसके पास बहुत हो, कल्चरल सोशल और जो आपका सब्जेक्ट है, स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट है, उससे रिलेटेड. देन ग्रोन डाइवर्सिटी मीन्स एवरी डे थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग, एवरी डे policies are changing, we are having new technologies every day. So how much you are convenient enough to adopt new things. And team based organizations, definitely either you are really very good in teams, क्योंकि आजकल अकेले काम करना पॉसिबल नहीं होता. So when you are working on a project, so people will be definitely looking how much you are good in team-based organizations. So certain other issues such as corporate downsizing, cost-cutting initiatives, growing dependency on flexible employment techniques such as outscoring and increasing entrepreneur are fast influencing the workplace. How changing workplace affects job. Employment is more flexible. Today, no lifelong employees, temporary worker and consultant on a project by project basis. If we conduct survey, few people intend to hold the same job for 5 years. Self-employment is attracted to more fair, more worker. So workplace and in jobs as well. So when you are planning for your job, you have to see कि आपने एक ही जगह पे रहना है या आपने change करना है या आपने आगे जाना है. So how you will go. What is changing? Definitely technology is changing every day. We are going with new technologies, with advanced technologies. How you get a job, the processes are different now. पहले आपको resume by mail send करना पड़ता था या खुद जाके देना पड़ता था. अब आप email कर सकते हो, आप online contact कर सकते हो. या employment contracts हैं. Nowadays बहुत ज़्यादा जो एक चीज़ चल रही है वो contract based jobs हैं. So if you are not getting a full time job or you are not getting a permanent job, so at least you can get a contract job if you are really very good in job search communication. Then work environment चेंज हो रहा है क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हो रही है, तो जाहिर बात है उसके हिसाब से वर्क एनवायरनमेंट जो है वो चेंज हो रहा है. वर्क आवर्स भी चेंज हो रहे हैं. जस्ट लाइक अभी एक पेंडेमिक की वजह से सबकी पूरी रूटीन चेंज हो गई है. सो हाउ चेंज ओके ये हो गया है. Today, employers are looking for people who are able and willing to adapt to diverse situation. Definitely, जिस तरह अभी पेंडेमिक की वजह से routines बहुत ज़्यादा change हो गई हैं, so definitely employers will be looking for the people who are very easily adapting the new situation and they know how to work in a challenging new situation, and the people who are unafraid to change. Sometimes you just want to stick with one point, with one chair, but people now actually want the workers who are really very unafraid to change. कि जब भी कोई नई चीज़ कंपनी लेके आए, कोई नई पॉलिसी लेके आए, तो उसको अडेप्ट करने की आपके अंदर जो है वो एबिलिटी हो. Then employers also looking for people who are ready to learn on job. इसीलिए continuously people try to improve their qualification. और उसकी रीज़न ये है कि डेफिनेटली आजकल की दुनिया में खाली आप एक डिग्री लेके जो है वो सारी ज़िंदगी उसी के साथ उस फील्ड के अंदर सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज देयर वुड बी पीपल हु आर वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट एंड इम्प्रूविंग देयर क्वालिफिकेशन. सो डेफिनेटली इफ यू आर इम्प्रूविंग योर क्वालिफिकेशन, people will be looking for you because definitely you are coming across the new things and you will be more valuable for the company. Last but not least, the most important thing, that employers are looking for people who are sensitive to cultural differences. When you're working in an office, definitely there will be multicultural people there. Somebody will be somewhere from the rural area, somebody from the urban area. जिस तरह हमारे मुल्क में प्रोविंशियल सिस्टम है, तो हो सकता है डिफरेंट प्रोविंसेस से लोग जो है आके एक ऑफिस में काम कर रहे हों. So definitely everybody will be having different background and different culture. तो उनके culture और उनके different opinion को बहुत टैक्टफुली डील करना ये एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है, क्योंकि समटाइम्स छोटी सी आप बात जो है वो वैसे ही कह देते हैं लेकिन अगले को वो बहुत बुरी लगती है और समटाइम्स वो एक बहुत बड़ा इशू बन जाती है. So this thing is really very important, that one should be really very sensitive to the cultural differences, to the opinion differences. Sometimes different people are having different opinion, so we should have courage and we should have patience enough to digest the opinions of other people as well, because obviously everyone cannot think like us, everyone cannot have the style like us, everyone cannot deal the things like we are dealing. So we should have that patience in us because usually multinational organization में या इस तरह की ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव में जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस काम कर रही होती हैं, वहाँ पे डिफरेंट एरियाज़ के लोग होते हैं और समटाइम्स इंटरनेशनली भी वहाँ पे एम्प्लॉयज़ जो है वो हायर किए गए होते हैं जो बाहर से आए होते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली देयर कल्चर विल बी डिफरेंट, उनकी बहुत सारी चीज़ें, देयर ईटिंग हैबिट, मे बी देयर ड्रेसिंग और अटायर विल बी डिफरेंट. सो इट्स रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट बीइंग एन एम्प्लॉई यू शुड हैव दिस सेंस दैट हाउ यू हैव टू कंट्रोल योर emotions, how you have to control your language, because आपकी छोटी सी चीज जो है it can ignite and it can end up in a really very bad manner. So this point is really very important. हमारे मुल्क के अंदर बहुत सारे मसाइल होने की एक वजह ये भी है कि हमारे यहाँ पेशेंस नहीं है और ये छोटी सी चीज जो है समटाइम्स बहुत दूर ले जाती है. Okay, setting realistic objectives. How then do you begin assessing what you have to offer and then putting together a convincing sales pitch? You cannot expect to be managing a major corporation or earning 1 lakh rupees initially. Similarly, you cannot expect to do some petty job. This is a phase of self-assessment process. Before selling a product, know what the product is all about. So most expert will tell you that the first thing you need to do is to set realistic objective for yourself. So do not overgeneralize and do not be imaginative so much. Be realistic and think कि आपकी strength क्या है, आपकी कौन सी चीज़ें जो है आपकी academic से जो relate करती हैं वो आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा आपकी strength है, क्योंकि हर एक जो आपने इतना सारा पढ़ा होता है उसमें हर चीज़ में आप expert नहीं होते, आपकी कुछ weaknesses भी होती हैं. So you always have to focus what are your weaknesses and what are your strengths, क्योंकि उसी की बेस के ऊपर आपको जॉब ढूंढने और अपने से रिलेटेड जॉब ढूंढने में आपको ज़्यादा जो है वो आसानी होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू फील कि आपकी सोशल स्किल्स बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं है और आपकी वो वीकनेस है, तो फिर आपको ऐसी जॉब के लिए नहीं जाना चाहिए जिसमें आपका सोशल इंटरेक्शन ज़्यादा हो. सो यू हैव टू फिगर आउट व्हाट आर योर मेजर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड व्हाट आर योर मेजर वीकनेसेस. So to begin setting objectives, you may want to ask yourself a series of questions to clarify your thinking. These may be questions about your own strengths and weaknesses, question about your goals or realistic appraisal of your abilities. Let's look at some issues you will want to consider always during this phase of self-assessment process. For example, what have you done at university? Were you good with numbers? Can you get along with people? Are there any gaps in your work history? Are you inexperienced? Do you have long-term employment with one company or job termination in your career? So think realistically about your own these facts. Then establish some goals. What your long and short term goals? शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स में यूजुअली क्या होता है, वी पुट के हमें जॉब हर सूरत चाहिए क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इकोनॉमिक एक प्रेशर होता है दैट यू शुड हैव अ जॉब. सो शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए हम समटाइम्स कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ भी कर लेते हैं कि एक जॉब बहुत हमारी फील्ड से रिलेट ना भी कर रही हो, बट वी गो फॉर इट बिकॉज वी नो दैट वी नीड इट. But that shouldn't be the end. You should have a long-term goal, or you should keep looking for the perfect job you want. And how do you picture yourself as a successful person in 5 years, in 10 years, in 20 years? This will definitely motivate you to achieve that place. Then envision the ideal day at work. Talk to people about your envisioned profession. Read out various occupations. Determine the specific compensation you expect. What do you hope to earn in your first year? What kind of pay increase do you expect each year? Are you willing to settle for less money in order to do something you really love? So you have to consider all these things before starting a job. Stay abreast of business and financial news through. आप लोगों को अप टू डेट रहना चाहिए. अगर आप जॉब चाहते हैं तो फिर जिस जगहों पे जॉब एडवर्टीजमेंट आते हैं, अगर आजकल जिस तरह वेबसाइट में आते हैं या न्यूज़पेपर्स में आते हैं, सो यू शुड बी रियली वेरी अप टू डेट फॉर इट. रीड मेजर न्यूज़पेपर्स, ट्रेड मैगजीन्स, स्कैन बिजनेस पेजेस, then research specific companies, learn about organizations, respond to job opening, so that definitely कहीं ना कहीं पे फिर आपको पता लग जाता है कि किस तरह आप जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Find career counseling. College and university placement centers offer individual counseling on campus. Seek help from them. बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के अंदर कैरियर काउंसलिंग का एक डिपार्टमेंट होता है जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को कैरियर काउंसलिंग के लिए जो है वो ट्रेन किया जाता है. Analyze your purpose and audience. Study your purpose and your audience to tailor your message for maximum effect. Gather relevant information about you and the employee you are targeting. Establish a good relationship by highlighting those skills and qualifications that match each employer. So it's not really always easy to get a job. You have to plan it wisely.